Today, I'm going to talk about the base workspace and model workspace. What is the difference between them and how to use them? I can give you an image of what workspace is. It is like a garden storage. Let's say when you are taking care of your garden, you need to use some items from the storage. You can store and use items such as hammers and shovels and nails. For workspace, we put variable names and values instead of items, and you can reuse these values by calling the name of variables. We have two types of workspace. First one is called base workspace, and the variables are stored in MATLAB. And the other one is called model workspace. The variables are stored in Simulink. Let's check the base workspace first. You can find base workspace on the right-hand side of the MATLAB window. There are several ways to create variables. You can create variables from scripts, or you can simply type MATLAB code in command window. This time we use command window to create a variable, and now type a variable name A and put the value 1 in it. Click enter and it will automatically store in base workspace. Now we can reuse the value, so type b equals a plus 1 and click enter to get the answer. If you want to see the details of variables, you can simply double-click the variables in the workspace and check the data type and values. Let's go to Simulink to check if we can use the variables in the Simulink model. To open Simulink, type Simulink in the command window or click Simulink button. Click Blank Model. You can see the white canvas. Double-click any place in the canvas. Type constant to get constant block. In the constant value, we can use A, which we have created before in MATLAB. To check the value, we also need a display block. So same here, double-click white canvas and type display to get display block. And connect two blocks and let's run the model. Now we can get the value 1. And where this value comes from? It came from the base workspace where we have created before. Let's move to model workspace. Where can we find model workspace? Click Modeling, click Model Explorer. In the new window, you can find your own model. This time my model is Untitled in the hierarchy, and we can click it to find model workspace. This is the way you can find the model workspace. So how to create variables in model workspace? I'll explain 3 ways to create variables. First, click the Add button and click the MATLAB variable, and you can find the name and value. You can simply edit by clicking them. This time, I named the variable A and kept the value 0. Let's click the Run button to see what will happen. This time, we got the value 0. We have the same variable names in base workspace and model workspace. And in this case, the value in the model workspace is more prioritized. The second way to create variables in model workspace is this. You can expand the window to see the right side, and you can find the data source. You can get the variable from the files, or you can also type MATLAB command. This time, let's type A equals to 10 and click reinitialize from source. Now you can see we get the variable A with value 10. The last way to create variables in model workspace is from MATLAB. You can simply type this code. You can find the code in the link, and the link is in the description. HWS allows you to access your model workspace. In the second line, you create the variable A and put the value -1 in it. Let's get back to Simulink to see the result. When you open Model Explorer, you can see variable A changed to -1. And of course, when we run the model, we get the result of -1. A lot of times, the variables are of different data types in the model workspace. For example, if you want to edit struct data type, then you need to click the value and click 3 dots, click Open Variable Editor, and click Data Value to change values. The difference between base and model workspace is this. Workspace is a storage space accessible by every model, and model workspace is a storage space only accessible by that model. And if we have same variable in base and model workspace is used. Here is a short summary of today's lesson. Today I talked about what Workspace is and how to use Workspace, and the difference between two workspaces. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it.